Welcome friends! In today's video, you will be given 15 questions to answer. Each one question will be given 1 point. Let us know your score in the comments. Let's start. Question 1. The tropical grasslands in Brazil known as downs, campos, pampas. The answer is campos. Question 2. Which deserts does not lie in the northern hemisphere? Kalahari, Thar, Gobi. Kalahari. Question number 3. Krakatau volcano located in Ecuador, Italy, Indonesia. It's Indonesia. Question 4. Gulf Stream is in North Atlantic Ocean, South Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean. North Atlantic Ocean. Question 5. The islands of Seychelles are in Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Question number 6. Mekong River does not flow through Malaysia, Cambodia, Laos. Malaysia. Question 7. Which is more abundant in the earth crust? Iron, silica, calcium. Silica. Question 8. Lunar eclipse occurs on half moon, full moon, new moon. Full moon. Question 9. Cold currents have cooling effect on the shore of Japan, Alaska, Peru. Peru. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a sedimentary rock? Marble, shale, limestone. Marble. Question 11. Which of the following is the highest plateau? Patagonia Plateau, Pamir Plateau, Colorado Plateau. Pamir Plateau. Question 12. Moon-shaped sand dunes formed by wind action called cirque, mesa, barkhangs. Barkhangs. Question 13. Zebras inhabit equatorial regions, savanna lands, downs. Savanna lands. Question 14. Leading rice producer in the world is China, India, Philippines. China. Question 15. Mocha coffee is grown in Yemen, Iraq, Brazil. Yemen.